See this guys, people all over the world are actually earning a good amount of money in various kind of cryptocurrencies. Okay, and you can see this, how much they are earning actually per day in their wallet. Do you want to know how you yourself can earn this much amount of money? By just clicking on some websites, by just filling captchas. Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just following some simple steps. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just filling some captchas and just dropping onto some websites. Okay, so it's a great website guys where you can earn a good amount of money. Okay, spend some free time on this website and doing some filling some captchas and coming up onto the websites. It would be a great. Okay, so you do not have to do anything guys, you just come up here. I just gave the link in the description box of this video. Okay, you just come up here and follow along this video because step by step I want to show you how you can receive money on your bank accounts as well. Okay, so let's first do. So you are just coming up here and here you can see this sign up button. Okay, we just need to first sign up. Okay, so we just enter our mail ID. Okay, so I have entered my mail ID and my password. Okay, confirm my password and fill this small captcha. Okay, so fill it carefully. Okay, and just click on this sign up. You can see this, we have sent a verification link on your mail ID, so just check your mail ID and you can see the activation link. Okay, so just click on this activation link and you are good to go. Okay, so your account is verified. What you need to do right now guys, just you need to log in. Okay, so just log in into your account. So I have entered my mail ID and my password. Okay, and fill the captcha. Okay, and you can see this guys, credentials match, and just click on this proceed button and you are redirected to this page. Okay, so guys, what you need to do right now, okay, what you need to do right now is just following some simple steps. You just come up here on earning section and you can just click on this visit website and you can see this guys, minimum 300 drops of payment. Okay, minimum 300 drops of payment, and you can see this by guys, by just visiting filling this captcha. Okay, we can earn a good amount of money from this website. So I just need to give the card details. Okay, next, car details. Okay, it's a bus car, and just click on this check and you can see this guys, and just click on this submit and you can see this guys, correct captcha. And one thing I need to show you guys, you can see this, you can do this much amount of clicks and earn 300 drops. Okay, and by just clicking, one click will give you 300 drops, and it's more than 12 million guys. You can see this, it's more than 12 million. Okay, more than 12 million clicks if you can do on this website, you can earn, you can multiply it with 300 and you can see this guys, you can earn a good amount of money. Okay, just click on this visit website and you just need to stay here for 5 seconds. Okay, just need to stay here for 5 seconds. That's it guys, that's it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and that's it guys. Okay, just come up here and you can see this guys, you just need to refresh it and you can see this guys, 300 drops. And you can do how much clicks guys? You can tell me how much clicks you can do? Unlimited. Okay, almost unlimited. You can see this, I'm just clicking on this and just stay here for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's it. Okay, and that's it, and you just need to refresh it, and that's simple. You can see this guys, 600 clicks. Okay, this is one way, guys. Okay, this is one way. Another way is to fill the captchas. Okay, just click on this fill captchas and you are good to go. Okay, you can see this, guys. Before that, you need to just give this. Okay, I just show you. Okay, I just show you. So just need to submit it and you can see this captcha match and 20 drops you can do. Okay, so captcha is good. Okay, it's good. You can also do it unlimited times and you can earn money from this too. Okay, you can see this. Just need to click on this submit and you can see this. Okay, so it's a good way to earn money, guys, just by clicking on websites and by just doing filling some captchas. Now I'm going to show you guys. Now what I'm going to show you is to how to get this money in your wallet. Okay, how to get this money in your wallet. So you just come up here in this Coinbase. Okay, just come up in this Coinbase and you can see this. You just need to fill your details. Okay, so guys, you do not need to worry about anything because I have given each and everything on the description, links of everything in the description. You can just come up here and start earning money. Okay, so just click on this, your name, okay, and your mail ID. Okay, and you just need to enter your password. Okay, just I certify that I'm 18 years old. Just click on this create account, traffic light. Okay, okay, just click on this verify and you can see this. It will take some time and you can see this. It will do your confirmation. Okay, my mail ID, it will send a confirmation on my mail ID. You can see this, guys, a verification mail. Just click on this verify mail. Okay, and you are redirected to this. Okay, so what do you need to enter your just enter your phone number. That's it, guys. Okay, so I quickly do it. Just click on this send code and digit code is entered on your mobile. Okay, so code I'll just type. Okay, just click on this submit button and you can see this, guys. Okay, yes, transfer crypto. Okay, I understand. Okay, and guys, you can see this receive crypto. Okay, so what do you need to enter, guys? Here you can just come up here. Okay, where it is, just click on this change wallet. Okay, just click on this change wallet and you need to give the XRP address. Okay, so come up here in the Coinbase and just click on this and see this XRP. Okay, you can see this XRP. Okay, just click on this and just click on this I understand, and this is your address, guys. Just need to copy this address. Okay, just copy this address and just put it here. Okay, just paste it here. Just click on this next. Okay, please double check your destination tag. Okay, destination tag is this. Okay, so just need to copy this thing as well and on your this, just paste it and just click on this next. Okay, you can see this wallet setting has been saved. Okay, done. Okay, guys, done. Just need to click on this withdraw button. You can see this, yeah, payout sent. Okay, just click on this proceed and my payout, how much it is, 0.006 XRP. So this is one thing that you can do. Just click on this continue button. Okay, and I see that there is some notification or not. Okay, you can see this, guys, $0.01. Okay, you can see this instant payment is received and you can check on the notifications as well. Okay, how much you can receive payments. Okay, so you can do it. You can see this, guys, XRP. Okay, so there are this is a way that you can earn money. Okay, this is a way how you can earn money. You can check your portfolios as well. Okay, do the settings and all. Okay, so this is a way how you can earn money. Now just go and start earn money from now on. Okay, you can see this, guys. You can check out account ID is this, your mail ID is this, and your refer code is this. Okay, so guys, you can also earn by doing referral systems. Okay, there is always a referral system in every website where you can earn 10 times, okay, more. So just go now and start earn money from right now. Okay, you can see there are other things as well, but guys, these are the good ways. Okay, filling captchas and visit website, because these are the potentials where you can do unlimited time. Guys, how much it is, how much clicks that you can do? 12 million plus clicks. Okay, if you just spend, how much time you can spend, guys? 300 drops. Okay, and you can do unlimited times. Okay, per day you can earn up to $100 to $200 from this website by just clicking. If you can do it, just like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, so that, guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content and can show you how much you can earn by just clicking on these small sites. Okay, so this is it for this section, guys. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.